Alright, let's continue on with causality. Sorry for the voice because I've been talking. I've been talking and I just gotta get this done. So, causality with verbs. And causality is expressed with the affix ba, right? Ba before the verb. Now, causality is pretty much it's just what it is. It's like it's how it sounds. It's like the verb is gonna cause something by itself, something to happen, someone to happen, or something to happen to its own self, right? Causes something to happen to something, someone, or to its own self. And causality is very, very, very similar to the affix, or the ba. Sorry, the ba affix is very similar to the pag ba. I'm sorry, pagka affix, right? Right here, it's not specific to time is the main difference to pagka though. So pa and pagka share very similar, very, very similar meanings in that they both make the verb do something, except pa is specific to causality, which can happen at an unspecific time. You know, there's no specific time to it. It just can happen casually, versus pagka, which again is happens in a moment of time, but can happen at any moment in a time period. All right, and here are some examples. First example, paluto ta og sudan. Ipaluto ang sudan. All right, so I hope you can hear the alignment voice there too. So there's a voice in this sentence. So if you know the voice, if you can see the circumstantial voice there, brownie points to you. Kudos, okay? Because that's kind of weird. The focus is kind of odd, but it exists, okay? Paluto, luto meaning to cook, right? Paluto means, hey, let's let the verb do it, all right? So let's cook food. That's what the sentence is saying. Let's cook food. But in this sense, luto is now being acted on itself. It's causing the verb to cook. Okay, it's causing the verb to do cooking, right? Cooking itself, okay, in the process, not in the process, but in the exact action of cooking. Luto ta og sudan, right? It's causing causative, right? Luto ta og sudan. It's causing to be cooked. Same here, ipaluto ang sudan. Even though we have e before that, as we already explained what e was, paluto, paluto again, stuck with the verb, so paluto ang sudan. Let the food do the cooking, or let the food cook itself, so to speak. Ipaluto ang sudan, let the food cook by itself. Our focus here is sudan, but the verb was conjugated not in that focus. It was conjugated in the circumstantial. So we now look at the verb as, okay, the food is the important thing we're looking at, right? It's our focus, but what's the food doing? It's cooking itself, okay? So it's causing, again, this verb is making that food to cause it to cook itself. Palutuon nato si Mara, kapoy nako. So this one's saying, hey, let's let Mara do the cooking, right? It's a cause, again, Mara is the one that's causing to do the cooking, all right? And it's conjugated in so that Mara is our focus, but the verb is not important. It's just doing something else. It's doing its own cooking, but Mara is going to be the one that's going to be doing the cooking. It's causing the cooking, all right? Down here, patupit lang ko, all right? I'm going out for a haircut. I'm the one that's going to be the focus here, but patupi, okay, sure, I'm just going to get the haircut, whatever, right? And last two, kini ang kwarta ni Marta, padala ragyud. Padala is that verb meaning to send, right? But dala we know dala means to bring, right? But if we add pa to it, it changes that word dala now to be to do the action, or causing itself to do the bringing, right? The bringing or send, right? Okay, it can be sent to us, sent to them, sent anywhere, right? It's now acting on itself to just bring it, okay? here's the money, make the money bring itself now, or bring it. I'm telling you to do the action of just bringing it now, let it be in the bringing or the sending now. All right, boom. And last one is gusto ko sa litrato nimo. Paambit tabi. All right, ambit. Let's go. Just please just share it. Like let's I'm telling you in that direct moment that to just please just share the picture, right? Do the sharing of the picture. Let the picture do the sharing. Okay? So this is just causality with pa. And again, it's no big deal if you mistake it with pagka because they are really two similar affixes that have two similar meanings, just a slight difference, okay? So causality with pa and with verbs.